Hi ma'am, baka gusto niyo mag-pusal kayak ma'am?
Sige lang po. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Puka Beach. Yes, this is one of the best beach in Boracay. Aside on the white sand, this beach has much. You can see a lot of lush, green lush in the background. Look at that. The beauty in Puka Beach is just stunning. It's magical. Yes, it is really like fascinating. You can actually see there's a cave towards the end of this island, towards the end of this beach, and it is very very nice to see. It's just quite like around, let's say, around 30 minutes. Oh no, 20 minutes from here, from where I am standing. I am actually almost at the entrance of Puka Beach, but kids' favorite place. I think part of it is like the water is wavy, and they love that. They love when it's really wavy. There's a lot of going on, and it is just so nice in here. You should check it out. Also, another thing here in Puka Beach, since this is really quite the edge of Boracay, so when it comes to food, like this one, a shake, it's really quite a little bit pricey for its size. And then, some of the food here is really like, pricey. Let's just put like that. So yeah, gonna show you the beauty of Puka Beach. so hot right now, but hey, the water is so cool. And look at that. It's just crazy, and how clear the clarity of the water is just stunning, isn't it? See that? It's like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. Look, what the beauty! It's so different in the white beach. So that's why when they have this island tour, they always include Puka Beach as one of the destination in an island, because part of it is like the beauty of the beach itself is really stunning. You can see, especially if it's sunset, you can also see a beautiful sunset here. Different colors. The cloud formation is way better in here. Like it is, you can see a lot of cloud actions here. You can see it in my background, right? And it's so stunning. And the luscious green in the background, like that, it complements with the water. Hello again, guys. You know what, we had so much fun. You know why? We did some snorkeling today, and it is so nice. We always now, since we did snorkeling, we love snorkeling almost every day.
So everybody, me and my mom was exploring fish.
Yeah, see, we've seen a very nice. We even seen the clownfish. Nemo is there. Yeah, it is amazing. And you know, we only swam just a little bit where there is darker green, because that's where a little bit corals in there and a lot of rocks. So there's so many fishes in there, and it is so amazing to see it. So hope you guys, you're gonna come here in Boracay, don't miss coming here in Puka Beach and experience the beauty and the majestic of Puka Beach. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.